I see that.
And it said too late.
What?
I'm gonna have to take a picture of that one.
I hope it's still there. And then when I went with my coworker, he wrote blood up.
You okay?
Eric. Imagine.
I see a heart. Didn't see that when we were up here last
This is pretty dope.
God, this sun's bright.
I know it's coming in crazy right now. Caves. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my god. Mimi.
I found a bunch of K-pop, but it's all cheap, so I don't have to worry about it.
Hell yeah.
And it's stuff I don't have, so it's for the collection.
We're good. We're vibing. What time is it? I think it's like 6:51.
Yes, we do have to be heading out in like a few
Word. This music though. Hey, look at this shit. There's so much going on. So much happening. We got some jazz, some anime. Tires is still. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the actual book of Howl's Moving Castle. Because they had like number 6 last time I was here.
Howl's Moving Castle. Nacho man. Nacho
Or the
man.
one Jujutsu book that I don't have.
This shit's beautiful as fuck.
But I doubt it would be new. Like, no! Is it a sign or something? No. It's the translucent blue exclusive pressing that was only made 300 of. What the fuck? If the other one is the it's the blue exclusive pressing that he released when the album came out, and there was only 300 of them. Yeah, it's the Please Me exclusive vinyl press. I didn't read that. Wow. Okay. Thank you. You're winning today.